Hi, this is Molly Carter. In this edition of Sound It Out, we'll be taking a look at the vowel R syllable. This is one of the 6 different syllable types. Remember, understanding the patterns of letters in the syllables can help you understand what the vowel will say, which can help you read words. In this syllable pattern, we see a single vowel followed by an R. The vowel will make an unexpected sound. It won't be long or short. It will make a new sound. For example, in the word fern, the ER is saying er. The E doesn't say or E. Is what's heard. We also hear the in the word bird, which will be spelled with an IR. We hear the in the word turtle, which will be spelled with a UR. And we hear in the word worm, which will be spelled with an OR if it is following a W. Words where we hear the would include words like baker, circle, world, doctor, backward, and there are some other uncommon spelling patterns such as journey or early where we also hear Another vowel R would be an A followed by an R. The A no longer says A or A, it says R as in the word arm. So other words where we hear R would include farm, scarf, star, and an uncommon spelling pattern for this word would be in the word heart. OR is another vowel R pattern. The O doesn't say ah, it doesn't say O, it says or as in fork. Other words where we hear or would be orb, form, thorn, and we also hear this in the uncommon pattern seen in the word your. There are some notes of caution with the vowel R syllable pattern. If the vowel R is followed by an E, this can revert back to our vowel consonant E pattern where the vowel will say its name. So the IR doesn't say in this word, it says I followed by the So this word would be tire. There are times when you see a vowel and an R together and they simply do not belong in the same syllable. And so they won't make the R sound that you see here in W-A-R-Y. This would be wary, 2 syllables. The other thing we have to be cautious of is if you have a vowel followed by an R and then another R. This is often a sign that your vowel will actually be short. So we have the word arrow instead of narrow. We do see vowel R in longer words, and we would go through our division strategies as normal, where we locate our vowels. We see what's between. We find a place we want to try our split. Our first syllable here appears to be open, so if it's accented, our O should say its name. So we'll try the first syllable as yo. The second syllable, I see a vowel, and it appears to be followed by an R, so I'm going to try this as my sound. So I think this syllable says gert. So if I put my syllables together, I have yogurt. That's a word I'm familiar with, so I'm done with my decoding. So remember, when you're looking at an unfamiliar word, if you see a vowel letter followed by an R, that vowel may make an unexpected sound like an arm, fern, or fork. Thank you for watching. Happy reading.